Subtract means remove this part from the entire wire. Easily we will get the remaining part, that is BC. That means from the total wire we have to subtract the first part, that is 1/4 meter. Okay. Now AB means here 7/8 meter and AC means here 1/4 meter. So this part will be BC. Now we have to calculate, we have to subtract. Which method will you use? The same method, that is we have to take the LCM of 4 and 8. Okay. So 4 and 8, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So 4 into 2, that means for LCM this will be 8. That means for first fraction it is 8. So which number should we have to take so as to get 8 itself? Definitely 1. So both numerator and denominator of 7/8 we have to multiply it by 1. So we will get 7/8 itself. Now for the second fraction, in denominator it is 4, but we have to make it 8. So by which number should we have to multiply so as to get 8? 4 2s are 8. That means we have to multiply both numerator and denominator of the second fraction, that is 1/4 by 2. So 2/8. 1/4 can also be written as 2/8. So see, both the denominator are same here. So 8, here 7 minus 2. That means 5/8 meter will be the answer. So the other piece is 5/8 meter long. This will be the answer. Okay. Now we move to the next question. Question number 7 and 8 will be done by yourself. You can easily solve if you understand the previous sum. Now we move to the question number 9. Now we move to question number 9. So question number 9 is, Joydev takes 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? I am repeating again. Joydev takes 1/5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7/4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So here the two fractions are given, that is 2/1/5. 2/1/5, this is an improper, this is a mixed fraction, and 7/4, this is an improper fraction. We have to, at first, we have to compare them. So at first we have to convert this mixed fraction into an improper one. So in denominator it will be always same, that is 5. Now for a numerator we have to multiply this with this, that means 5 into 2. And with this result, we have to add this part, that is 5 into 2 comes 10 plus 1/5. That means 11/5. Okay. And this one is 7/4. That means we have to compare now 11/5 and 7/4. So 11/5 and 7/4. We can see that both the denominators are not same. So for this we have to take the LCM of its denominator, that is LCM of 5 and 4. Okay. So 5 1s are 5, 4, 2 2s are 4 again. That means 5 into 2 into 2. So 5 into 2 comes 10, 10 into 2 comes 20. So the LCM is 20 here. That means in both numerator and denominator, that means we have to make both the denominator 20. So which number should we have to take so as to get 20 for the first fraction? 4. So in both numerator and denominator we have to multiply it by 4. So 4 11s are 44 and 4 5s are 20. Similarly for the next one, that is the second fraction. Here in denominator it is 4. So which number should we have to take so as to get 20? So for answer this will be 5. So in both numerator and denominator we have to multiply by 5. 5 sevens are 35, 5 fours are 20. So here you can see that both the denominator are same. That is, the first one is 44 upon 20 and the second one is 35 upon 20. If we compare these two for the same denominator case, we can easily get the result, that is this fraction, that is first one fraction is greater than the second one. Okay, because its numerator is greater between the two. So who takes less time? Second part, that means Rahul takes less time. So first answer will be Rahul takes less time. And the second question is, by what fraction? For this we have to subtract smaller from bigger, then only we will get the required fraction. So that means 44 upon 20 minus 35 upon 20. So in denominator it will be 20 and numerator 44 minus 35. So 44 minus 35 comes 9 upon 20. So for answer this will be Rahul takes, for second part, Rahul takes less time by fraction of 9 upon 20. Okay, this will be the answer. Rahul takes less time by fraction of 9 upon 20. Now I am giving some homework of this exercise. You will note down and do this in your classwork copy. The copy will be checked. I will inform you regarding this in your respective groups. So for question number 1, I have solved A and G. So the remaining will be your homework. Okay. Now question number 3 will be done by yourself. Question number 4, B, will be done by yourself. First one, except A and G. That means remaining. Except A and G. Okay. Remaining means except A and G. A and G. 3, 4, 5, question number B, 7 and 8. This part will be your homework. So today's class up to this. Thank you.